Imagine sitting down to a delicious meal, unaware that what you're eating isn't what it seems. This is the unsettling reality of food adulteration. Companies cut corners to make more money, often at the expense of our health. They might add cheaper ingredients to stretch a product, or use harmful substances to make something look better or last longer. This deception happens across all kinds of food. In this video, we will cover how to spot adulterated food. We'll discuss items such as milk, honey, spices like turmeric and chili powder, tea and coffee, vegetables, fruits, wheat, meat, oils and fats, and butter. Food adulteration isn't just about being cheated out of quality, it's a serious health hazard. What we put into our bodies matters, and consuming these tampered foods can have a domino effect on our well-being. Imagine this: that seemingly harmless spice mix you bought contains a hidden ingredient that triggers a severe allergic reaction. Or the milk your child drinks daily is actually diluted with water, depriving them of essential nutrients. These are just a few examples of the potential consequences. The dangers range from mild discomfort, like nausea and diarrhea, to long-term problems like liver damage, heart disease, and even an increased risk of cancer. Children, pregnant women, and people with weakened immune systems are particularly vulnerable, as their bodies are less equipped to handle these toxins and deficiencies. Food should nourish us, not harm us. That's why it's vital to be aware of the risks and arm ourselves with the knowledge to make safe and healthy choices. While we might not have a laboratory at home, there are simple tests we can do to spot common food adulterations. It's like having a detective kit for your kitchen. Drop water on a banana. Browning suggests artificial ripening agents. Press the meat. Excessive firmness or unnatural color can indicate fillers or additives. Dissolve coffee powder in water. Pure coffee floats, while adulterants settle. Melt butter. Pure butter melts quickly and turns brown, while adulterated butter takes longer and may leave residue. Refrigerate coconut oil. Pure oil solidifies. Other oils should be tested by rubbing them on your palm for quick absorption. Dissolve flour in water. Pure flour settles at the bottom. Cloudiness indicates adulteration. Place tea leaves on wet blotting paper. A yellow or orange stain suggests artificial color. By incorporating these tests, we can make informed decisions about the food on our plates. While home tests can be helpful, prevention is always better than cure. One of the most effective ways to avoid adulterated food is to be discerning about where we buy it. Look for certifications from reputable organizations on food labels. These certifications mean the product has undergone rigorous testing and meets specific quality standards. Think of it like a seal of approval, assuring you that what you see is what you get. Building relationships with local farmers and vendors at farmers markets can also make a difference. Not only does this support local communities, but it also gives you a chance to ask questions about their farming practices and ensure transparency in the food chain. Remember, the cheapest option isn't always the best. Investing in quality food is an investment in your health and well-being. In a world where profit often overshadows ethics, becoming a conscious consumer is more important than ever. Food adulteration is a complex issue, but by arming ourselves with knowledge and making informed choices, we can protect ourselves and our families. Read labels carefully, even if it's a brand you trust. Be wary of products with long lists of unpronounceable ingredients or additives. When in doubt, opt for whole, unprocessed foods as much as possible. Share this knowledge with your friends, family, and community. The more people who are aware of this issue, the more we can demand transparency and accountability from food producers. Remember, every time we choose what goes on our plate, we have the power to vote for a safer and healthier food system.